What's up, brothers? We're actually live with the Cobalt. We're gonna do a starter and a fuel tank and lines. We're gonna get this thing started today. Let's go! Step one. Right now, Nate is taking the starter out. There's two bolts on either side. They're both 15ths. One is on top and one is hiding up in the behind. I'll take the camera and show you. So the bolt's here and then the other one is up behind it there. So here's the other starter to reference it. You have the one bolt under there, which is easily to see. This is the one that's hiding up on the top. If you just go right in between the solenoid and the starter itself, motor, go right in there and get it loose. And then obviously you have the main starter wire and the signal wire that are attached. This starter wire is a 7mm and this one is a 13. And before you do anything on the starter, always disconnect your battery so you don't short anything out, because once you pull that hot wire off the starter, it can arc, it can cause issues with computers, and it could shock you. So be aware of that. Step two.
Removing the bolts.
Oh, we can do it for you.
Nate, what is that?
Junk! Oh!
Step three.
They look the same.
Step four.
Get in the hole. Step 5. Step 6.
Are you ready? All right, who wants this car?
Step 7.
Realize you did the wrong thing.
Step 8.
So one thing that sometimes people forget, when it's cranking slow like that, check your accessories, because this thing has been sitting for a while. Things may lock up after they've been sitting a while. So judging by what he has in his hands, we cut the belt off. We got it out of here. And we found out the alternator was actually seized up. So what we're gonna do now that it cranks nice and quickly, we're gonna throw some fuel in it and see if it'll start.
Step 9.5.
Try it out, brother.
Oh.
I got hit the throttle, so I'll die.
That's all right. We're running on starting fluid. Oh, give it a rev. Oh.
Is it running by itself? It's running. I'm not even doing anything.
Did the fuel pump decide it wants to work?
No way, please.
No.
How's the thing running? Shut it off. That must have put a lot more fuel into that.
Yeah.
Dude, it runs, boys!
But yeah.
It runs!
So sorry, one of you isn't getting it. Not yet, at least.
Cool. So, we are gonna reconvene this tomorrow. We're not cutting the video, but we will go into, I think we might split it in two, I don't know. Besides that point, yeah, we'll probably do it in one. So, next thing tomorrow, or actually Friday, because it's Thanksgiving weekend, and we're gonna come back on Friday, get the gas tank out of the other Cobalt and the lines so we don't have any leaks, and put it in here with a working fuel pump. We're gonna have a running car, do some burnouts. See you guys tomorrow.